so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed.
Hello! So I'm here at Ulta Beauty because I wanted to share with you guys some ideas I have for last minute gifts for the holidays. I realize the holidays tend to creep up on us and sometimes it's a little closer than we expect. So I'm going to show you guys some ideas that I have, and Ulta Beauty is great because they have a lot of like travel size or mini size products. So I'm going to go inside and basically pick out some of my favorite skincare, makeup, hair care, body care products, and we are going to make like little sets for our friends and family. And it's also a great way to share with your friends and family some recommendations you have, some of your favorite products. So we're gonna head inside and I'm gonna share with you guys some of the products I think are gonna be really great gifts, perfect for the holidays, and are some of my personal favorites. It's like super sunny today. It's beautiful.
So I have my bag and I'm going to start looking around. I'm on the hunt for mainly mini and travel size things, so I feel like Ulta Beauty is really great at carrying those things. I'm just gonna walk around and do some shopping. We are still on the hunt. Oh, this is the perfect section I just found. So I found some great sets that are not only hair care but skincare sets. So I'm gonna look through them. A lot of these are kind of already curated as well and feature a lot of my favorites. So I think this is going to be a great place to start. Something like this would be a perfect gift because not only does it feature a lot of great products, but it goes to a great cause. We actually worked with Glam for Good and it was super fun. So this could be a really great option. It's $29 and there's a lot of great products in here. This one's perfect. I love Bumble and Bumble, but I particularly love the thickening dry spun texture spray. I have fine hair and find that my curls fall fast. So I love that this guy helps keep texture in my hair. Sol de Janeiro is always such a hit, especially with the younger girls in my family. So I always like gifting them like these smaller body sprays. They're perfect for like the car or gym bags or lockers at school. So that's always a good one. And then I love that they have the little size of like the body washes and things. Like this down here, I think would be perfect. How cute is this? You guys know I'm always going to recommend Vanilla Co Clean & Zero because this is by far one of my favorite cleansing balms. They do have a TSA approved travel size here, and they also have a triple version that has 3 different varieties. So if you wanted to try the different kinds, you totally could, but I think I'll just stick with the original. Okay, so right here is an immediate recommendation from me because I have tried all of these products and this set specifically. And this is such a good sampler for Peach and Lily. It has a lot of their best-selling products. And I particularly love this Wild Dew Treatment Essence. So I think getting something like this would be really great for someone who likes skincare. Peach and Lily, especially these products specifically, are very universally friendly skincare products. So this is something that I think you could either break up and give a couple pieces to one person and a couple pieces to another person, or you just give the whole set. But this is something that I think is a really good idea. I love First Aid Beauty, especially because I have dry, sensitive skin that's prone to dermatitis or eczema, and so there's a lot of really great products in all of these. Particularly in this one, I love the face cleanser and the KP body scrub. The KP body scrub is also in this one here, and this one has the Ultra Prayer Cream. So it really depends. The options of these are definitely a know your crowd type of person, but I think I'm definitely gonna have to grab one of these. I think I'm gonna go with this one because there's so many great products in here. I realize these are not necessarily travel size, but I also think that gifting like a luxury or high-end lip balm is always nice because this is something that people splurge on. So if you gift it for them, it feels a little bit more decadent. And so I obviously love the Ole Henriksen Pout Preserves. These ones are the holiday ones, so these have a little bit of shimmer in them, but you could, again, know your crowd and decide if they prefer something with glitter or something that's a little bit more subtle. But another recommendation that I have that I love is this one from Peach and Lily. I love the Collagen Cushion Peptide Lip Balm. In fact, this is what I have on right now. So it's also a really nice option. So nice and small, kind of sticks with the same size. But like I said, it's something that I would be very excited if I got. So you know, I'm gonna recommend you another set, another Korean beauty set. We have Cosrx here, which this is $25. I think this is such a good deal because again, you get a lot of their best-selling products, a lot of those snail mucin products that work for a lot of different skin types. This is the cleansing water that I'm using right now and I've really been enjoying it. So I think I'm definitely gonna have to pick this guy up because so many good things in there. Okay, I just found something that I actually think would be even better for the lip recommendations that I just gave. This would be perfect from Peach and Lily. These are the Collagen Cushion Peptide Lip Balms. Again, So good, and you get this exclusive holiday color. So like I said, you can either gift both of these to one person or open this up and give one to someone or one to another person. I just saw this too. See, there are so many good options. You might have someone who's interested in trying cream beauty. Here's another set that would be perfect for this. Side note, another product recommendation that I have gifted to people and they're obsessed with are the eyeshadow sticks from Laura Mercier. I love the caviar stick eyeshadows because they're long lasting, go on so nicely, and they're very easy to use. So everyone I've gifted these to are obsessed with them. I definitely have to get a small size of the translucent setting powder from Laura Mercier. I have been using this powder for years, and I personally kind of want one of these for myself because, you know, you don't want to travel with a big tub of powder. This I'm definitely getting, but honestly, this would last you a pretty long time because the normal size of powder, I've had it for like years, so it lasts a very long time. So this is perfect for someone who wants to try it out or who you recommend it to. I'm definitely picking this up. Oh, I'm definitely getting one of these. Not only does it have one of my favorite makeup removers in it, it also has the eyeliners and it has mascara, which is amazing. So I'm gonna have to pick up one of these. This is the perfect section for someone who is a benefit lover and wants to share some of their favorites with their friends and family. These are the perfect sizes. So I'm gonna have to pick through these and decide which one I want. Honestly, that's gonna be difficult because I like a lot of these. Know for sure I'm gonna have to grab one of these guys because this is one of my favorite mascaras, but I'm seeing a couple of my other favorites that I'm gonna have to grab. I think I'm also gonna have to get one of these, which is also something that I used today, and then I'm also gonna do one of these. Perfect. And by the way, it's the perfect time to take advantage of deals at Ulta Beauty, like 3 minis for $30 with the benefit minis, because their minis are actually very good sizes for trying out the products themselves and actually getting a really good use with them. So definitely watch out for those types of things. I just found this in the gift sets for hair. I have to get this. The IGK First Class Dry Shampoo is one of my favorite dry shampoos, and they also have some of my other favorite products from IGK Hair. This is an immediate yes. I also love this kind of thing to throw into people's gifts because you can always use like a shower cap or even something like this, a towel wrap for your hair after you wash it. So I think I'll grab one of these too. Like if you knew your friend or family's shade, you could actually get them like a little mini shape tape, which I think would be adorable. I think I'm ready to check out. My bag is nice and full. I got all of the goods. I'm excited because I'm gonna have a fun time going through all of the products and like picking out which ones I want to recommend for particular people. I had a good idea when I was in there of what I like and who I think would like it. So I'm excited to like put the gifts together. This is like fun for me too. I'm back. And I have a very specific vision for these gifts. These are so cute. Okay, let's go through some of the stuff that I got. I realized I talked about these in store a little bit, but I wanted to just go through my thought process, open them up, and share with you guys how I'm gonna divvy up the products. The goal is to get 3 different gifts out of this because I have 3 people in mind. I love First Aid Beauty for my sensitive skin type, and this one's nice because not only do they have body care and skincare, but there's also a full size of the facial radiance pad, which these are great for sensitive skin types because they're glycolic acid based. Glycolic acid is like great for preventing aging as well, so it's something that I use all the time. So I'm actually gonna put these aside and these aside. So I'm actually gonna divide those like that. Next, we have this set from Cosrx. I think this is such an excellent set because all the products in here I would say are very universally friendly. For me, I always like to try a smaller size before I commit to a bigger size. Skincare is such a personal thing. So if I can try out a large enough size that I can really see if my skin likes it, see if I see improvement, then I can commit to the full size. So I'm gonna open this up. This cleansing water in particular is one that I have been using, and again, I love it for my sensitive skin type. So I'm gonna actually put this over here. This is kind of turning into like my sensitive skin set for someone that has sensitive skin like mine. So that's what I kind of have going on over here. And I'm also gonna put the 6 peptide skin booster over here as well. I've essentially made like a full skincare routine with all of these products. And like I said, these are very sensitive skin friendly products. And honestly, these are as well, but I'm actually gonna put these over here for someone because the person that I have in mind is more into trying unique beauty products, so I think the snail idea is going to be great over here. Let's work on the third gift I have in mind, and the third gift set that I have in mind is for a makeup lover in my life, and I'm basically kind of making like a full face of makeup here with the products that I picked out, and I took advantage of the 3 for $30 with the Benefit Minis, which honestly, like, these are very good sizes. I have the POREfessional, the Super Setter, which was part of that 3 for $30. I also picked up the BADgal Bang. I love this mascara. It is so good. I actually am wearing it on my lashes today. And then I also love the 24-hour brow setter. So that's also going to go in the set. And then when I was looking at the front, this is so cute. This is probably top 5 favorite concealers for me. The NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and it also had my friend Shade. I'm obsessed. I kind of want to get one of these for myself, just like keep in my purse. My tried and true, literally the setting powder I've used for years, the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. And because, like I said, this is kind of for the makeup lover in my life, I got this set from Clinique, which is perfect because it has one of my favorite makeup removers, which is that Take the Day Off makeup remover. How stinking cute is that? So that's gonna go in there, and then I'm also going to include the other makeup products that are also in there because we have the Quick Liner Intense in a nice brown color. This is in the shade Intense Chocolate, which everyone can use a nice brown liner. And then the High Impact Easy Liquid Liner. This is so good, and I'm someone who has sensitive eyes, so definite recommend. This I was so excited to see. I saw it when I was perusing the hair sets, and I love the IGK dry shampoo, the first class one. So this set actually features that product specifically. So I think I'll gift one of these to each. So the dry shampoo over here. I'll do the Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray here. And then we will do Beach Club. It's perfection. I'm gonna stick it over here. Last but not least, I got a shower cap because I think this is so cute. And again, I feel like everyone uses a nice shower cap. So I'm gonna stick it over there. Now that I have divided these up into 3 gift sets, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap these. So I'm gonna show you guys kind of what I have in mind because I feel like this is also the part that gives a little personal spin on the gift. I got some cute wrapping paper here. I only need like a teeny tiny bit of wrapping paper since all of these are like little smaller size products. Oh my gosh. Wait, I didn't cut enough. Okay, wait a minute. Let me get another product. I get a little stingy because I'm trying to like save paper and then I underestimate it. So I'm wrapping the Laura Mercier powder first, and my idea is I'm gonna write inside the wrapping paper why it's my favorite. Just like a sentence or two. And then of course, when I gift this, I will let them know there's a message inside the wrapping paper so they don't just rip through it. Just like that. I got my little note in there. Look at how cute that is. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Okay. I think this looks so cute, like all the little sizes. I'm sure many of you guys are better at wrapping gifts than I am, and you're much more creative with the presentation, but this is the presentation I came up with, and I'm just gonna put it in a cute little gift bag with some tissue paper, and I am actually gonna have so much fun watching them unopen it and read all the little notes that I put in there for them, see their thoughts on it. So I have a lot more wrapping ahead of me tonight and a lot more note making, so I hope you guys enjoy this last minute gift ideas with Ulta Beauty. I think this is such a fun idea to do. It's still very thoughtful, it's curated, it's personalized, and I don't know about you guys, but I would have so much fun opening up a gift like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, I'm gonna go ahead and link everything down in the description box below that I mentioned so you guys can easily shop through there and make your gift giving even more accessible and easy. And as always, I hope you guys are happy and healthy, and don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!